Hello friends! Welcome back to AI Surge. We are here with yet another exciting video for you. This video is about a gadget called Rabbit R1, and no, it is not for rabbits, it's for humans and basically claims to outsmart your smartphones. In the introductory video, the founder and CEO of Rabbit, Jesse Liu, presented two things they've been working on. Number 1, a revolutionary new foundation model, and number 2, a groundbreaking consumer mobile device powered by it. Their mission is to create the simplest computer. Something so intuitive that you don't need to learn how to use it. They achieve this by breaking away from the app-based operating system currently used by smartphones and envision a natural language-centered approach. The computer they built is called your pocket companion that can talk, understand, and get things done for you. They believe that future of human-machine interfaces should be more intuitive. Now, let's take a look at the existing mobile devices that we use daily, like iPhones and Android phones. The problem with these devices is not the hardware form factor, but rather the app-based operating system. Each time you want to do something, you fumble through multiple pages and folders to find the app you want to use, and there are always endless buttons that you need to click. The smartphone was supposed to be intuitive, but with hundreds of apps on your phone that don't work together, it no longer is. Many people before have tried to build simpler and more intuitive computers with AI, but they often fail to accomplish the tasks we ask for. Recent achievements in large language models, however, have made it much easier for machines to understand you. The popularity of chatbots over the past years has shown that the natural language-based experience is the way forward. However, where these assistants struggle, it is still getting things done. To fulfill this vision of a delightful intuitive companion, they went beyond a piece of complex software. They wanted to be in the hands of everyone, so they first set out to fundamentally understand how computer apps are structured and how humans interact with them. They wanted to find a way for their AI to trigger actions on behalf of users across all environments, so that it can be universal, not just limited to a Chrome plugin or a set of specific apps. This led them to create the Large Action Model, also known as LAM, a new foundational model that understands and executes human intentions on computers. With LAM, they fundamentally solve the challenges that apps, APIs, or agents face. LAM can learn any interface from any software, regardless of the platform they're running on. In short, the large language model understands what you say, but the large action model gets things done. Finally, they build a computer that not only understands what you're trying to say but can actually help you do things on your behalf. They packed the large action model into the advanced Rabbit operating system. It is built for real-time interactions between you and the Rabbit, powered by LAM. The Rabbit R1 is a fully standalone device primarily driven by natural language. It comes equipped with a 2.88 inches touchscreen, a push-to-talk button, an analog scroll wheel, a microphone, and speakers, and a computer vision-enabled 360-degree rotational camera called the Rabbit Eye. It is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capable, and it has a SIM card slot that supports the global 4G LTE network. It is equipped with a 2.3 GHz MediaTek Helios P35 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage space. With the Rabbit R1, you can ask Rabbit for anything just like using a chatbot. But the difference is the speed. Rabbit OS provides responses 10 times faster than most voice AI projects. With the push-to-talk button, you don't need to say anything to wake it up. Just press and hold the button and talk like a walkie-talkie. You can ask Rabbit questions, get stock prices, or find movie information, and more. Rabbit R1 can interact with all kinds of applications through the Rabbit Hole web portal. You can log into different services and unlock functionalities for R1, just like iCloud. You can listen to music, order food, call a ride, plan a trip, and more. Rabbit R1 can make complex actions that may take multiple apps to finish on a smartphone. It can also help you with your documents and emails, and even learn new skills through the Teach mode. Rabbit R1 also comes with the Rabbit Eye, an advanced computer vision-enabled camera. It can analyze surroundings and take actions in real time. You can use it for real-time language translation, identify songs, recognize objects, and more. It also has a built-in real-time translator and a note taker. The most interesting thing is they don't save your information like login details. In summary, Rabbit R1 is a revolutionary mobile device powered by Rabbit OS and the Large Action Model. It provides a natural language-centered approach, making it simple and intuitive to use. With Rabbit R1, you can get things done faster and more efficiently, from answering questions to planning trips and everything in between. It's like having a smart companion in your pocket. The company has sold first 10,000 units in just first week. But it will be available by the end of March 2024 and will be retailed at $199. But is it actually useful or just another hype product? People are honestly confused about it. Some people think that it is a waste of money as you still need a smartphone in the first place and that people will use it as a fix and eventually go back to their phone addiction. While others think it is the future of AI and a genius approach. Well, we have to wait and see. And finally, if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to know how the world is changing with the advent of AI, subscribe AI Surge for more exclusive content. And for more AI updates, and go visit our website aisurge.net. Thank you very much.